Today, we will do something special. This will be my first unboxing in this channel, and we are looking at the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, the top of the line Samsung flagship smartphone. Here is the box, plain and simple. A big and nice S20 logo right in the middle of the box, and with a smaller text at the bottom that show this is indeed an S20 Ultra 5G. This is technically not a new unboxing, as the staff from the store insists that they have to open it on the spot for warranty registration. But rest assured, everything else will be the same without plastic covering it. Looking around the box, there are not much printed information about the device, except at the left side of the box showing Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G on it. And that's everything on the exterior. Let us open it and see what's included in the box. Inside the box, you are greeted with the S20 Ultra itself. It's so beautiful. But let us set it aside and look at the content inside. Inside the cover, there are a smaller box. Let's see anything included inside. There is a SIM removal tool at the back, nice and sturdy. Inside the box consists a clear case for the S20 Ultra, and there is tons of paperwork which include a quick start guide and warranty card. Putting this aside and get into other accessory. Removing this flap, there's a 25-watt wall charger in the middle. That should charge our phone nice and quickly. At the top of it, we do have a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging and the earphone sound by AKG. It does include a few ear tips that you could change to suit your ears. And that's everything included in the box. Let's run through some of the basic specification before we end this video. It is equipped with the top of the line Snapdragon 865, 12GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, a 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus display, and a 120Hz refresh rate display. It also supports a 5000 mAh battery for your all-day battery life. As per Samsung fashion, it does include a micro SD card slot for up to a 1TB of storage expansion. These are some of the basic specifications for this S20 Ultra. We will talk more in depth on this phone in my upcoming review. So make sure you subscribe and turn off the bell notification so that you will be notified once I upload. And that's it. Thanks for watching my first unboxing video, and I hope you like it. Ciao!